Hi, I'm Dave Kalama, the designer for Imagine Surf, and this is the Inflatable Connector, a 14-foot long, 30-inch wide downwind board that's constructed of a 2-ply and 6-inch drop stitch core. It's got extra rocker in the nose to accommodate downwind paddling conditions, a bungee cord to secure your life preserver or whatever gear you might have, a full-length standing area diamond groove EVA pad, and a carrying handle right in the center, as well as one on the tail. It's got a D-ring on the back here so that you can attach your leash. It also comes with a standard US style box to accommodate the quick snap-in fin supplied by Imagine or any fin you might have. So the width of this board makes it a great stable platform to get out there and have a great downwind run. Every DLX inflatable comes with a deluxe wheelie travel bag with 4 padded grab handles, integrated smooth rolling wheels, stowaway comfy backpack straps, zippered wide mouth opening, an internal fin pocket, and board compression straps with great styling and enough space to stash a 3-piece paddle and pump along with the board.